Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to replace the outlet thermostat in an electric GE dryer. The outlet thermostat regulates the dryer temperature and prevents it from getting too hot. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. To get to it, we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top of the front panel, just behind the door. Now we're going to lift the top panel up just a bit so we can clear the console legs and pull it forward. We're going to remove the Phillips screws that are found at each back corner of the front panel. Once we've done that, we can lift the front panel up, rotate it to the side, and disconnect the door switch wires. Then we can set the front panel to the side. With that moved out of the way, we're going to reach under our drum, and we're going to disconnect the belt from the belt pulley. Once that is disconnected, we're going to go ahead and lift up on the belt and use it to assist in pulling the drum forward and out. Now we can set that to the side as well. The outlet thermostat is located on the blower housing.
First, remove the single Phillips head screw. Then, take the wires off, making note of where they go so you can put them back on the right terminals.
Here's the old outlet thermostat and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com.
Now we can mount the new thermostat and secure it with the Phillips head screw.
We also need to install the wires. Once the new thermostat is installed, we can put the dryer back together. Let's double check to make sure the wires are all attached to the correct positions. When that's all set, we're going to install the drum and belt.
This can be a little difficult, so make sure to get the belt firmly on the motor pulley.
Then grab the front panel. We're going to connect the door switch wires and then set the front panel onto the dryer. We need to secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Now we're going to slide the top panel on the console legs, rotate the top panel down, and then secure it with the long Phillips screws we removed from behind the door. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. You've made it to the end. Awesome work, and thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share how your repair turned out. And if you still need a replacement outlet thermostat, jot down your model number and swing by AppliancePartsPros.com to place an order. Your new part should land on your doorstep in just a few days. While you're here, why not smash those like and subscribe buttons? We've got tons of troubleshooting and repair guides waiting for you, plus all the parts you can need to tackle the job yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Your support means the world to us, and we'll catch you in the next video.